Sleuth-Dog has been hearing that Grandma Candy has got 5 aliases. 4 could be misspellings of her name, and 1 could be some random woman who has nothing to do with Grandma Candy, but who may or may not have lived at one of the addresses that she used to have. Anyway, Sleuth-Dog decided to do some sleuthing into his own aliases, and, well, lo and behold, Sleuth-Dog has aliases too. Trixie Wixie.